Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to make the sedge stitch. If you like lots of texture in your crochet projects, this stitch is for you. Keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, here's a few details about the stitch before we get started. You can see that it has lots of really nice texture there on both sides. It's made by crocheting groups of stitches together in the same stitch, and then on the next row they're sort of offset and it creates this really pretty textured vertical zigzag design. It's reversible, so that's nice, especially if you're making something like a blanket. To make this stitch, you'll need to know how to chain, single crochet, and double crochet. And that's pretty much all I had to tell you. Let's get started with the tutorial. So grab some yarn and a hook and we'll get going. I'm using this Lion Brand worsted weight Woolies yarn in the color Blush Heather, and this is my 5mm Furls Streamline hook and teak. So to start, we're going to chain a multiple of 3 plus 2. I'm going to be chaining 17 in this sample. All right, here's our 17 chains. For row 1, you're going to start in the second chain from your hook, and then in the chain after that, in the third chain, you're going to work a single crochet and 2 double crochets, all in the same stitch. There's a single crochet and then 2 double crochets. Skip 2 chains, and then in the next chain you're going to do another group of stitches. You're going to do a single crochet and 2 double crochets, just like we did before. One more double crochet in there. There we go. Skip 2 chains, and then in the next chain you're going to do a single crochet and 2 double crochets. You're just going to repeat this sequence all the way across your row until you get to the end, where you'll put a single crochet in the last stitch. Alright, here we are close to the end. Oh, having yarn troubles there. Alright, so we just finished our last group of stitches. Now we're going to skip 2 and then single crochet in that last stitch. Chain, excuse me. And that completes row 1. All right, let's move on to row 2. So chain 1 and turn. And we're going to make those single crochet, double crochet groups again. So in that same stitch right at the base of your chain 1, you're going to make a single crochet and 2 double crochets. Our chain 1s do not count as a stitch. And then we're going to skip the next 2 stitches, which are 2 double crochets, and then we're going to make another single crochet double crochet group in the next stitch. So single crochet and then 2 double crochets. Skip 2 stitches, and then a single crochet and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And you'll just repeat that all the way across again. All of your single crochet double crochet groups should be worked in the single crochet stitches from the previous row. All right, here we are at the end. We're going to skip 2 stitches and then single crochet in that last stitch, which is a little hard to see and work into apparently. And there you have it, row 2. So to finish out your project, just repeat row 2. And that is it.